Welcome to Cure Naturally, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. For centuries, Indian Ayurveda has shown us that food is not just sustenance but medicine. It teaches us that 90% of illnesses can be prevented through mindful eating. Imagine a world where what you eat every day not only nourishes you, but also protects you from diseases. That's the power of Ayurveda. And today, we're diving into a simple yet profound remedy to heal your gut and stomach naturally. The health of your gut influences not just digestion, but also your mood, immunity, and overall vitality. Let's uncover the secrets to maintaining a healthy gut using ancient remedies combined with modern insights. The importance of gut health in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, your gut, or Agni, is considered the fire that fuels your body. When your digestive fire is strong, your body thrives. But when it's weak, toxins, known as ama, accumulate, leading to diseases. Symptoms like bloating, gas, indigestion, and acid reflux are signals from your body that your digestive fire needs help. Ayurveda teaches us that the gut isn't just a digestive organ, it's the cornerstone of health. From boosting immunity to improving mental clarity, a balanced gut impacts every part of your life. Celery juice, a global phenomenon with Ayurvedic insights. Celery juice has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, celery juice is known for its ability to soothe the stomach lining, reduce inflammation, promote better digestion, balance the gut's acid levels. Drinking celery juice on an empty stomach can help detoxify the body, replenish the gut microbiome, and calm common digestive issues like bloating, acid reflux, and indigestion. But did you know that Ayurveda has its own take on this remedy? Ayurvedic enhancement. Ayurveda believes that combining celery juice with other gut-friendly ingredients can amplify its benefits. For example, ajwain, carom seeds. These tiny seeds are excellent for reducing gas and bloating. Cumin and fennel seeds. These aid digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and calm the gut lining. Ginger. Known as the universal medicine in Ayurveda, ginger combats nausea, indigestion, and acid reflux. Tulsi, holy basil, enhances gut immunity and reduces inflammation. A simple recipe to elevate celery juice. Blend celery with a pinch of ajwain and a slice of fresh ginger. This combination can work wonders for your digestive system. The science of iron and gut health. Did you know that the balance of minerals in your body, especially iron, plays a crucial role in gut health? Excess iron in the body can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation, which harm the gut lining. Surprisingly, many foods in our modern diet, like enriched flours and grains, are fortified with iron, which might contribute to gut imbalances. To counteract this, Ayurveda recommends natural remedies. Copper-rich foods, shellfish, organ meats, sunflower seeds, and dark chocolate balance iron levels. Herbs and spices. Turmeric and cumin help reduce oxidative stress caused by excess iron. Healing the gut naturally with Ayurveda. Ayurveda provides a holistic approach to gut health. Here are some time-tested remedies to restore balance. 1. Triphala, a blend of 3 powerful fruits, amla, haritaki, and bibitaki. Triphala improves digestion, detoxifies the gut, and enhances nutrient absorption. 2. Butterkra, a traditional Ayurvedic remedy, buttermilk, seasoned with cumin and rock salt, soothes the stomach and promotes good gut bacteria. 3. Herbal teas. Teas made with fennel, ginger, and mint can calm the gut and reduce bloating. 4. Fermented foods. Incorporating fermented foods like idli, dosa, and yogurt into your diet replenishes the gut microbiome. Foods to avoid and lifestyle tips. To heal your gut, Ayurveda advises avoiding processed foods. Refined carbs and sugary snacks disrupt gut bacteria. Cold foods and drinks. They weaken your digestive fire. Overeating. It burdens your digestive system, leading to toxin buildup. Lifestyle tips. 1. Eat meals at regular times to maintain a balanced digestive rhythm. 2. Chew your food thoroughly to aid digestion. 3. Practice yoga poses like Vajrasana and Palamuktasana to improve digestion. Modern nutritional support. While Ayurveda focuses on natural remedies, modern nutrition highlights antioxidants and supplements that support gut health. Lactoferrin, a powerful iron chelator found in dairy. Probiotics help restore gut bacteria balance. Quercetin, curcumin, and black tea reduce inflammation and support gut integrity. Why gut health matters. Your gut is the gateway to good health. By combining the wisdom of Ayurveda with modern science, you can heal your stomach naturally and boost your overall well-being. Remember, the food you eat isn't just fuel, it's medicine. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Cure Naturally for more Ayurvedic remedies and health insights. Share this video with your friends and family to help them on their wellness journey. Together, let's embrace the power of natural healing. Thank you for watching, and may your path to a healthier gut lead to a healthier, happier you. Wishing you vibrant health and well-being.